So guys, today I'll be making a shopping with $40. I'll see what I can buy, what I can get out of my money, and even if I can get a change. So that's my journey for today. So I'll be withdrawing 1 million Vietnam Dong, which is around $50, and I will use it for shopping today. So let's start it. Let's start it. Join me, guys, and then let me enter the shop today. What will I start by buying? How do I use this selfies to get? This is good. This is good. This is good. Okay. What do I need first? Let me go get my rice. Let me go get my 10 kilograms bag of rice. Yeah, that should be first. Yeah, that should be first. Let me go get that first. And then, okay. Right. So I think,
so these are actually the ones I want. 175. 175. This is for how many kilos? I think 10 kilograms. 10 kilograms. How about this? 5 kilograms. Yes. So this is 175, which is less than, which could be around $6, $7. Yes. It could be around $6 to $7. Yes, 10 kilograms. So 10 kilograms of rice. This first. Okay. Okay. So I put this first, and then I think I should buy this. Okay, I think I should buy this. This set 131. The price. So let me just buy one of this. One of this.